check out the evil skimmers. That's what they're called. That's what they're known for, the evil skimmers.
Are you getting it from here? It's so beautiful. The sky is beautiful and everything.
Yeah.
You have a GoPro, so you're an adult. Are you getting it from here now?
Well, you guys want to look and see? I want to get something small to eat because I'm just hungry.
Battery on your GoPro?
Yeah, it's
They took over this whole town.
yeah.
They really did. They came in and just Danish only.
Let's go. Oh, you went in, sir? Tried some of these? You going?
After pee-pee.
I might go.
Hi, welcome in.
Hi, thank you.
Doing good, how are you guys? Feel free to help yourself to some samples if you'd like to. The side is all olive oils. We have balsamics on the other side as well. We do close in about 12-ish minutes. We close at 5:30.
Oh no, keep it clean, keep it clean. No, keep it
No,
clean.
you guys are fine if you want to stay. You're more than welcome to. There's other people still in here.
Thank you.
You should try them. They're not as expensive as the ones they'll be selling in Stagecoach. No, I just have some three for outside the home.
For a minute, I was wondering, who's this guy?
This is so peaceful. Anywhere here?
Besides, I told you to go tell that there before when it was a Holiday Inn. But there's some cute like wine little places back there that are running on the trail. I stay at the casino because it's a 4-diamond resort.
It's nearby, the
I
casino?
remember us saying.
4 miles. So the sign was
Oh, it's
6
not.
miles before the ostrich. Yeah, it's not even 2 miles.
The ostrich farm was good.
During the week, without even being like, if you've never set foot in the casino, you could still get a room there during the week for $120 to $160 a night. And for it being a 4-diamond resort,
It's not
and
bad.
with a balcony, like it's nice.
Yeah.
But expensive.
But I would also stay at, but I never stay
Say hello to camera, Diane.
Hello, hello.
He's making a YouTube.
Welcome to Solvang.
Oh yeah, you could actually be Danish.
Welcome to Solvang. Tell you about the Solvang Danish Valley. On your left is the candy store. That's where we'll be going next.
Oh, good.
To go get our pastries.
That was actually good. And you have that side there too.
You do that, one pumps the other.
Well, you can take the little magazine with the map and everything.
How much is it? Let me open up a Redfin.
Open.
I would like to see how much it costs to buy a house here. This is another cool place to just get lost.
So if I would go up here to all of there's I worked a bunch of like private weddings up here in the wine country and stuff. But the properties are just beautiful and there's no traffic. Just far enough out of LA, but just close enough you can still get there. I think I have to buy an apple.
Wanna try it? This is where we park?
No, we parked up here. Yeah, it's really just two streets in this little block because that's the street you drove in on.
Yeah?
I can
this
add
one.
this to my where I've been.
Yeah. Then to Denmark. Try this oversized shoe.
I don't think I would ever go.
Do you want to get a boba or something?
I didn't really know what boba was until like 3 years ago. Maybe in Miami wanted to charge 50. I was like, $50?
For what?
This is so traditional. Belgian cafe. I love this blue.
Those are so adorable. I should get those for my sister's kids. I don't think those are gone. I can come back up here for sure. My mom would love it. She loves the proudly made in America.
Where's the place that you want me to stop at?
What?
Before we drove away.
Oh, the ostrich to feed the ostriches? I think I'll walk around this candy store real quick too. Oh, that's close. But the other candy store right there is open too.
Power source.
No, I've never been.
In car. $20.
Check this out.
It's a high-end honey.
Yeah?
Hi guys, welcome. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Where are you guys from?
Florida.
Florida. Welcome to Solvang.
Thank you.
They came up here first.
Okay. It's a new store, so we have local honey over there.
Okay, I've never seen
We
it.
have honey from Corona, California. This is from New Mexico, an international one over there.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I do kind of want to go in there.
Go, let's go. about it, Mike? Oh, you're so funny.
And if it fell, I wouldn't fall on the floor, not. You can lose all that stuff. You lose them all?
I give it all.
You gave what away?
The stuff from doing golf all these years. It's so
only
nice
from
when I
2
like
years
she has
ago.
and she has pretty colors too.
This was only from like less than 2 years ago.
She always wears like
Or some I saved. There's so many that I haven't even worn.
that's a nice
Some
one.
that say
Reminds me of,
Northern Trust.
like polo-ish. It's nice.
I mean, what? You say if you're wearing President's Go Switch.
You know, I have to go to the post office too. So tomorrow.
I can go too. I can go.
I will look like high.
I don't know. No, they don't have. They don't allow that. Hot old wine.
Look at this Thunderbird.
Oh, that's cool. Did you see the new Tesla truck? Right?
So scary. The Tesla trucks.
You know it's a boat too?
They can just drive into the water.
Yeah, 5 feet of water or some shit. And it can like float and it'll be fine. I was reading all about it. It's awesome. But it's scary.
So good.
No. You know, you can't eat it.
I didn't know if it was lotion or soap.
It's soap, man.
Okay. There's nobody here.
It's Monday, right? What?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Yeah, that's probably why.
Oh, it's the week after spring break too, that's why. All the kids went back to school on Monday.